Hello guys and welcome to Amarchi Stock Analysis. Today we'll be analyzing IGL, that is Indraprastha Gas Limited. Kindly watch the whole video for our verdict. Please do subscribe and share with your friends. Now let's talk about the company first. So what does IGL do? IGL main business is of city gas distribution. It is presently operating in Delhi, including the adjoining areas of Noida, Greater Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurugram and Rewari. It's a large cap company. Now if we talk about the market capital of this organization is 33,740 crores. Now let's see about the revenue mix. The 75.42% revenue comes from CNG and 24.58% revenue comes from PNG. Now let's talk about ROC and ROE of IGL. Now ROCE क्या होते हैं? ROCE is how effectively a company uses its capital, whereas ROE होता है it shows the company's profitability against equity. Now इस केस में as you can see ROCE IGL का है 29.58%, whereas ROE है 19.36%. But we know a company is considered good when both ROCE and ROE are greater than 15%. So इस केस में what we can say, IGL is a fundamentally strong organization. Now let's talk about the sales growth of IGL. Now as you can see on your graph, in March 2014 the sales growth of IGL was 3,914 crores. Now ये हुआ March 14. If you can see in March 19 it was 5,765 crores. मतलब March 14 से March 19 यानी 5 साल the growth was somewhat around 47.29%. My God! और यहाँ पर ये stop नहीं होती है. अगर हम estimated March 2020 की growth की बात करें तो that is 66,475, which is somewhat around 12.32% from March 2019. So now what we can conclude from this? Sales growth, compounded sales growth for past 5 years was 8.05% and compounded sales growth for past 3 years was 16.08%. Now let's see what are the profits of IGL. Now if we talk about net profit, as you can see in March 2014 it was 360 crores. Now in March 2019 it was 787 crores. So in comparison to March 2014 and March 2019 it was 119%, 119% it was. And अब अगर हम estimated 2020 March 2020 की बात करते हैं तो it grew till 1,109 crores, which is 41% in comparison to March 2019. Now what we can conclude in this? Profit growth, compounded profit growth in past 5 years is 15.48% and compounded profit growth for past 3 years is 20.82%. Now we'll discuss about the EPS growth of this company. Now as you can see from the chart, it has been increasing yearly. Now if we look at the EPS growth of March 2020, so what we can see, it has increased 3 times in comparison to March 2014. That is from 4.96 rupees per share to 15.84 rupees per share. Now we'll talk about the shareholding patterns of this company. Now as you can see on your screen, promoter holdings are stable, mutual fund and DIIs. Now in comparison to previous quarters, as you can see in March 2020, both have increased. Now if we talk about FIIs has although reduced their holdings, but that is just because of coronavirus. Now we'll compare the share returns of IGL with its sector and Sensex as a whole. Now let's see for the first month. Though if we talk about 1 month returns, so as you can see on your screen, the IGL gave 0.05%, sector 8.85% and Sensex 7.68%. वहीं अगर हम एक साल की बात करते हैं तो IGL 43.24%, which was quite high in comparison to sector and Sensex. Sector was at minus 4.69% and Sensex was at minus 15.03%. Now let's talk about 3 years. तो let's say आपके पास 100 रुपए थे, तो उस IGL ने आपके 100 को 224 बना दिया, वहीं उस 100 को आपके सेक्टर में जो बनाया that was 109 and Sensex was 108. Now let's talk about the valuation of the company. So company's consolidated PE ratio is 28.44, whereas sector's PE ratio is 24. So now what we can refer from this, IGL is an overpriced share at this moment, so which clearly indicates the current price is more than its intrinsic value. So now let's conclude this video with a short summary. It's a debt-free company. Sales are growing at 16.08% annually in last 3 years. Profits are growing at 20.82% annually in last 3 years. No pledge of shares and promoter holding, and it's a fundamentally strong organization. Thus, it's a thumbs up from us. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Bye bye. Take care.